Alright, still the evening of Pearl Harbor Day. December 7th, 2024, CN Hayes here. Good evening to you. 1909, coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin, again along the Canadian Nationals. Superior Sub Main and Milepost 353.17 with the next video lined up for you. Highlight of the night. Northbound on the way with a Tier 4 credit to lead it. And my next C6M rebuild of the second batch running into the second slot, and that would be the 3332. And this is the 2986, I think this is. That's leading on the M341, 91 of the 6th. Let's check them out on the roll since it started from Kirkyard in Gary, Indiana. And we'll head up to Symington Yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. Here we go. And the train device is going. How about that for a highlight? And that's going to do it for the M341, 91 of the 6th. And we'll do it for the 3168 and the C6M rebuild of the second batch of the 3332. Running second with that. Plus the DPU of the 3274. Remember the 3274 once led on the B781-91 last year. At the CSX power, that was second and third. 89. I'll still take it. So that's going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for this evening. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great evening. I'll see you next time, and I hope I'll see you along the main line. Seeing haze out.